हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका स्टडी उच्चम चैनल पे। आज हम 8th क्लास का चैप्टर 2 रीशेपिंग इंडियाज पॉलिटिकल मैप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। ठीक है, ये आपका जो न्यू सिलेबस है 2026-27 के अकॉर्डिंग सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं। इसमें आपके MCQ भी मैंने लिखे हैं जो आपके एग्जाम में आपसे पूछे जाते, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड फॉर गिवन invasion and the rise of new dynasties reshape India's political boundaries during this period? Answer है, foreign invasion and the rise of new dynasties significantly reshaped India's political boundaries during this period. Turkish, Afghan and Mughal forces established powerful empires like the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire, replacing older kingdoms. Regional powers such as the Vijayanagar Empire and Ahom Kingdom also emerged, resisting foreign rule. Question number second. How did Indian society respond to invasion? How did India economy adapt during times of political instability? Answer है, Indian society responded to invasion with resistance, adaptation and cultural reliance. Some kingdoms like the Ahom and Rajput fought back, while others formed alliances. The economy adapted through trade network, the hundi system and decentralized agriculture, ensuring survival despite instability. Temples and guilds also play key role in sustaining economic activity. Question number third. What impact did the period have on the lives of people? Answer है, this period brought both hardship and renaissance to people lives. Frequent war and invasions caused destruction, displacement and heavy taxes, but agriculture, trade and craft continue to thrive. The economy adapted through systems like the hundi for secure transaction, guild for trade and temple-based economics that supportive communities. Question number 4. Compare the political strategies of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal. What similarities and differences existed between them? Answer है, the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal both used military conquest to expand their empires, but their political strategies differ. The Sultanate relied heavily on force, plunder and the Iqta system for administration, often facing rebellions due to harsh rule. The Mughal, especially under Akbar, combined military power with diplomacy, marriage alliance, and tolerance. They introduced the Mansabdari system for efficient governance and integrated regional leaders into their administration. Question number 5. Why did kingdoms like the Vijayanagar Empire and the Ahom Kingdom manage to resist conquest for a longer time compared to others? What geographical, military, and social factor contributed to their success? Answer है, kingdoms like the Vijayanagar Empire and the Ahom Kingdom resist conquest longer due to strong geographical advantage, military strategies, and social unity. The Vijayanagar Empire had a well fortified capital and alliance with regional power, while the Ahom used Assam dense forest and river for guerrilla warfare. Both had efficient administrative system and loyal subjects, making them harder to defeat. Question number 6. Imagine you are a scholar in the court of Akbar or Krishnadev Rai. Write a letter to a friend describing the politics, trade, culture and society you are witnessing. Answer है, dear friend, life here is Akbar court is facilitating the empire blend military strength with wisdom, welcoming scholars of all faiths. Trade thrives, textile, spices, and gems. Good flow through bustling markets. Persian and Sanskrit texts are translated while art and music flourish. Society is diverse with Hindus, Muslims, and other living side by side through taxes, burden peasants. The Vijayanagar Empire is its peak. King Krishnadev Rai patronized poets, built grand temple, and leads victorious battle. Society thrived through war loom. The city splendor is unmatched. Question number 7. How come Akbar, a ruthless conqueror in his young days, grew tolerant and benevolent after some years? What could have led to such a change? Answer है Akbar started as a ruthless conqueror but later became more tolerant and benevolent due to his growing wisdom and political strategy. As his empire expanded, he realized that unity and stability required cooperation, not just force. He married Rajput princes, abolished the discriminatory jizya tax and promoted Sulh-e-Kul to gain support from diverse communities. Question number 8. What might have happened if the Vijayanagar Empire had won the Battle of Talikota? Imagine and describe how it could have changed the political and cultural history of South India. Answer है if the Vijayanagar Empire had won the Battle of Talikota in 1565, South Indian history might have been very different. The empire could have remained a powerful Hindu kingdom, preventing the Deccan Sultanate from gaining dominance. Culture and architectural achievement like Grand Temple would have flourished further. Trade with foreign powers, especially the Portuguese, would have continued boosting the economy. Question number 9. When was the Delhi Sultanate established? तो आंसर है 12/6. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? Answer है Harihar and Bukka. Question number 11. When did Timur attack Delhi? तो ये 1398. Question number 12. Which ruler called himself the second Alexander? तो आंसर है Alauddin Khilji. Question number 13. When was the first battle of Panipat? तो आंसर है 1526. Question number 14. Who founded the Mughal Empire? तो आंसर है बाबर. Question number 15. Which Sikh Guru established the Khalsa? तो आंसर है गुरु गोविंद सिंह. Question number 16. When was the second battle of Panipat? तो आंसर है 1556. Question number 17. When was the हल्दी घाटी बैटल? तो आंसर है 1576. ठीक है, तो इस चैप्टर के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे जिसमें आपको मैंने एमसीक्यू भी कराए हैं. ठीक है, अगर आपको मेरे कराए क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको क्वेश्चंस कैसे लगे. और आप अगर मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मुझे को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. साथी और बच्चों को भी शेयर करें ताकि बच्चों को इसका फ़ायदा मिल सके. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.